Hi team, welcome to Automation for Testers. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about different JavaScript string methods like repeat, substring, and substring with the different variation, and slice methods. Okay, so now let's take a look at the demo. The first one we are going to discuss about is what? Repeat method. Okay, so this is very simple, guys. So if you want to repeat a character for a specified number of times, you can go ahead with what? Repeat method. There you can see I have just using a string with one character, let's say a star, and if I say repeat, one second guys, repeat, okay, and if I specify the number over here, let's say 10, okay, so now, and if I run the program, let's say demo4.js, there you can see it is giving us 10 characters of this one. Okay, so this is nothing but a self concatenating of a string for a specified number of times. If I specify anything like a and try to run the program, the same thing, it will be concatenated itself. Same thing if you say str1 dot concat, let's say 3 times. So try to run your program, there you can see it is coming like this. For example, if you say like this and run the program, and there you can see welcome to JavaScript, again welcome to JavaScript, and again welcome to JavaScript. So like this, if you want to repeat a string for a specified number of times, you can use what? A repeat method. I hope this is very clear, guys, and easy method to use it. Now let's take a look at the other methods that we have in JavaScript. Okay, so the next one we are going to discuss about what? 3 substring methods. Okay, so now here we have 3 methods, guys. One is, you can see, substr, okay, and the other one is substring. We also have one more method that is called as what? Slice method, guys. Okay, so now in order to understand these 3 methods, what we will do, first we will try to compare these 2 methods, what exactly they are doing. After that we'll compare these 2 methods, because functionality wise 3 looks pretty much close to each other. Okay, so now let's start with something called what? Substr, what exactly it is. Okay, so now let me comment it and let me work with this. Okay, so log, okay, so there you can see it will give you substring, it will give you the substring. Look at the parameters, that is a very important. So here from number, and second one is what? Optional, which is a length, not the end position. Okay, this is a starting position, and this is what? Length of a string you're requesting rather than the position. Okay, so for example, if I say 3 and try to run the program, and what is the output you're going to get it? There you can see 0, 1, 2 from 3 to till end of the string, because I have not specified any of the length of it, right? There you can see length I have not specified. For example, if I say in this fashion, for example, from 3 I want length around, let's say 4. Okay, so now try to run the program and see what is the output you're going to get it. There you can see come. So what does this mean? So from 0, 1, 2, 3, so here 3, so what is my length is 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, there you can see come, right? So this is the same thing. Okay, so you're requesting substring in 2 ways. One is by specifying the position, and second one is by specifying the position as well as the length of a string. This is the one thing that you need to understand. Now second thing that you need to understand is in case of substring. Okay, so there is no difference between substr and substring. There is only one difference. Okay, so that one is, there you can see start number. Functional wise there is no difference, but I'm talking about what in terms of syntax, we can say. Okay, so here start number and end number. Okay, end number. So what does this mean, end number? So end number means you have to specify the position, sorry, you have to specify the position, not the length of it. For example, if I take a look at this substr with this combination, and let's try to run this program now. So in this case, there you can see both are giving the same results, because if you do not specify the second parameter, substr and substring will give you the same output. For example, if I specify 4 over here, and if I specify 4 over here, let's see what happens. CLS, run the program, there you can see it is giving you only one character. The reason is here it is a length of the characters, that means you're requesting around 3 to 7, but this one is what? only the position, starting position to upper bound -1 only. It will not even go to the next one. For example, if I say 6 and try to run the program, then you can see it is coming like this. Okay, so 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, before 6 only, right? So till here only it will come. Okay, so like this the substr and the substring method will work out. So once again I will tell the difference. So only difference is what, the second parameter that you are passing. For substr you will be passing the length you need. Substring you will pass what, end position, what exactly till end position you want. Okay, so -1 only, end position -1 only it will give you. Okay, so this is what the difference between substr and substring. Now let's talk about the slice method. Okay, so there is no difference between the slice method and substring method. Okay, so let me prove you how it is. For example, if I say like this, cls, try to run the program, both are giving the same output. Okay, so now look at this slice method. You can see start number, end number, both are optional. So here also start number, observe here, start number is not optional, but here end number is what, optional. Okay, so if I say 3 and if I say 3 over here, let's see what happens. cls, try to run the program, same output you're getting. Then where do you see the difference? Okay, if you give the both are blank only, same output you're getting, right? And when you give the same numbers also same output, then what is the difference? Okay, so the difference will start when you play with these methods with the negative numbers. For example, if I say 3 comma -1, 3 comma -1, for this method also if I give 3 comma -1, and let's see what is the output we are going to get it. Okay, so now here you can see welcome only, well we are getting, here what, completely we are getting. So what does this means? Whenever you pass the negative integer, negative values in the substring, what it does is it will swap the parameters. So here what does this mean? It is almost all equivalent to the first character to till the 3 characters. There you can see WEL it is coming. Whereas in slice method it is not going to swap the parameters. It will remain same, but only thing is that from there till the last -1. So this, if I say 2, okay, there you can see it will give you what, till -1, so -1, -2, -3, like this it will come. Okay, that's only a very small difference that you have between substring and slice methods. And I would say you need to play with the input parameters that you are passing up, then only you will come to know the real difference. From automation perspective, I don't think so we need to do these many things. Yeah, just better have an understanding of what exactly difference between substr and substring and the slice method at high level. That would be sufficient enough. Okay, that's it guys. We have discussed about repeat method, which will repeat the character for a specified number of times. Substring, substr, substring, slices. We have seen with the example what kind of input they take and what kind of results they will give it to you. Okay, so that's all for this particular session guys. Thank you, thanks for joining the session. Have a good day ahead.